The Income Driven Repayment Plan Waiver will bring millions of borrowers infinitely closer to the 20 or 25 years of payments they need to have their student loans forgiven, even if they've never utilized an Income Driven Repayment Plan. The adjustment gives you credit toward your 20 or 25 years for any payment you made on any repayment plan, even if it wasn't under Income Driven Repayment. It also credits any periods you were in deferment before the year 2013 towards that 20 or 25 years, as well as periods where you were in forbearance for more than 12 months consecutively or 36 months cumulatively. It even credits periods from March 2020 on for borrowers whose student loans were in default but came out of the program using the Fresh Start initiative, which allows borrowers to get their loans back in good status with as little as a phone call to their student loan servicer. Now, in order to be eligible, you have to have a loan that's owned and managed by the federal government. And if you don't have an eligible loan, you have until December 30th of this year to consolidate it into a direct consolidation loan to make sure these credits are applied to your account.